Handheld LiDAR RobotSLAM operation video tutorial. Open the box and take out the device. When installing the GNSS antenna, be sure to well match antenna bracket with the square slot. Push it slightly with your thumb until tight. Insert the GNSS cable. Never bend this tiny cable terribly. When removing this GNSS antenna, pinch the cable plug and pull it out slowly. Never bend this tiny cable terribly. Suppose the pano camera is included in your package. Now it's time to install. Press the little silver button, hold the camera bottom, and push the camera bracket slowly into the square slot till the end. For disassembly, remove the pano camera first, then GNSS antenna. Fix the shoulder strap with battery compartment. Connect battery compartment to the device via the main cable. For smooth cable connection, align to the two red dots before inserting. To disconnect the cable, pinch the plug shell a little bit, then pull it out slightly. Install the battery onto the battery compartment in line with V-shaped slot. Once the slight click is heard, it means the battery is already well on board. A fake installation might lead to unexpected data capture pause or battery damage. To enable RTK function, proceed with the RTK settings before data capture. Insert a nano SIM card to the slot properly, power on the device, and connect the computer with the device with Ethernet cable. Run software RobotSLAM engine in your laptop. Click RTK configuration. Click connect to link with the device first. Input all necessary info and click login. Click check state to check account info. Manual input to log in is needed once only, and it keeps working automatically in coming practice unless this account is log out. Meanwhile, RTK setting is available in app also. After assembly, the device will be ready for fieldwork. Plan first how to travel, record the starting point, and try best to escape from moving objects like passers-by or running vehicles while scanning. Place the device onto the starting point, and power on the device. Then, press the power button of pano camera. Check the screen display to see imaging parameters. After pressing the scan button on device, the scanner starts to rotate and camera starts to record. The default video frame is 0.5 Hz. Keep it still on the ground for initialization around 60 seconds. Then, hold it well, and start data capturing. Walk as usual while scanning, and try best to keep the device stable, with no vibration. While taking turns, just move slowly. To record a control point, place the device and match the crosshair center of plate stand onto the control point, and press record button on device. Shortly after that, continue to scan. When the mission is completed, return to the starting point, place it onto the ground for finalization around 60 seconds, then press stop button on device to stop data capture. Now the LED screen shows it's now saving images. Do not power off until the screen display returns to the initial interface. For indoor capture, open all doors before entering a new space. It's no good to scan while opening the doors. In case of a big room needed to scan, enter it and walk a little bit, turn around slowly and quit. In case of a small room, just stay at the entrance and capture the interior for a while. Do turn around slowly while taking turns in the narrow passages, like corridors or staircases. Always get the scanner to face open space and try not to get too close to the wall. When RTK function is enabled outdoors, the loop closure is not needed. Certain control points would help much to improve the output accuracy. If RTK is not enabled or it seems hard to have fixed solutions all the time, just stick to the loop closure instead. In case of large scenes, it's necessary to split into several missions. Stick to loop closure for each mission and make sure that certain overlapping is made in between any two of the neighboring split zones. Thanks for working with our product. For more details, please contact your local dealer or manufacturer.